Happy afternoon, students. Today we will start chapter 12 of Aster, that is, from a railway carriage. It is written by R.L. Stevenson. It is based on tour and tourism, means what you travel, where you travel, how you travel, and what are the conveyance you are using to travel. Okay, have you ever traveled with train? Have you ever traveled with train? Okay, when we will meet next week, we will discuss about your different journeys through train. So, today we will read this rhyme from a railway carriage. It's an excellent piece which is described practically by the poet about a journey of a train. In this, various natural things are taken like ditches, hedges, bridges. These all are the different things which poet had seen in his way while journey of a train. So let's read the rhyme. Is there any journey that you remember well? What are the things that you saw or did during the journey that made it memorable? Means, have you remember any journey when you have traveled through train and the things you had seen in your way? Okay, let's read the poem about a railway journey. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along their troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. The poet is saying that the train runs very quickly than fairies and witches. It crosses the bridges, the houses, fences which are outside the gardens. You had seen the iron fences outside the garden on which green plants are grown. Okay, along the ditches, these all are left behind. ये सब पीछे रह जाते हैं. These all are left behind. Why? Because train is moving at very high speed. It's running very fastly. The poet compared the train with the army of soldiers. He is saying army of soldier. Troops means soldiers. He is comparing the train with the army of soldiers that are running towards the enemy, leaving behind all the green fields. जितने भी रास्ते में green fields, hills, cattle, horses, soldiers leave behind everything, like when they are chasing towards the enemy. Similarly, train is leaving everything behind it. It is moving very fastly. All of the sides of the hills and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. Means when the train passes hills and plain, everything passes by the train as quickly as a one water vapor follows another drop of during heavy rain. Means जैसे पानी की बूंदें गिरती है ना, तो एक के बाद एक फटाफट गिरती रहती है. Like this, train is also running very fastly and leaving everything behind it. And again in the wink of an eye, and it is leaving behind everything. Like आप पलकें झपकते हो ना, एकदम फटाफट से कुछ हो जाता है, एकदम से चेंज हो जाता है कुछ. It's like that only. It is leaving behind, like if you close your eyes for a second, it is leaving everything at its back. It's moving very fast, as you have seen in the pictures. Okay, students, today we will do it till here only. Rest of the poem we will discuss in the next period. So I am repeating this poem again for you. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted station whistle by. It means that the train is running very fastly. It is leaving everything behind. It is leaving all the bridges, hedges, houses, ditches, everything. Like soldiers chase their enemies in the battlefield na, it leaves everything behind. Similarly, train also leaves everything behind in the sight. When you see in the way plains, hills and many more, it's like a driving rain. Like one drop fall, then the other drop will fall, and ever again in the wink of an eye. It repeats again and again. When you blink your eyes means in an instant. It changes in an instant. Within seconds it changes. Painted station whistle by. Everything was moving so fast that the station seemed as painted picture. Trains are crossing many stations, and it is leaving behind those stations, and it look like that it is a painted station. जैसे पेंटिंग में होता है ना, स्टेशंस होते हैं, ऐसे ही train is leaving the station and it look like that these are the paintings of the station. So students, today we will do it till here only. You have to read this poem till here, okay? And in the next class, I'll ask the questions about it. Thank you. Have a good day.